Good afternoon, and we got this amazing 4-box select basketball break today. Now we're looking forward to a huge break today. The last break that we did of basketball had some very nice hits, and I hope that we can continue that trend today. So, I texted everybody the teams, but just in case, we got Bob S. Got lucky and got the Grizz, the Pacers, and the Magic. Pretty good. Bob G. Got the Suns, Wolves, Warriors, lucky him, Pelicans, Spurs, and Hornets. Bob M. had the Cavs, Clippers, Nuggets, Lakers, Blazers, Knicks, Raptors, Hawks, and Bucks. Dan got the 76ers, the Thunder, and the Mavs. Todd, you got the Wizards, the Nets, and the Pistons. Steve, you got the Jazz, the Kings, and the Rockets. And Scott, you got the Celtics, Heat, and Bulls. So, let's get this break on the row, and let's hit some magic here today. There's a lot of hits in this product. The autographs are nice and all, but not as nice as pulling some numbered rookies. All right, let's get this thing. All right, starting off a Kobe White rookie on top. Nothing special. We got a silver of the Chicago Bulls, Daniel Gafford. Silver. It's good to get rookies in that. Put them aside, see what happens down the line. We got a blue die cut of Dennis Smith at a 249 for the New York Knicks. Nothing overly special. Base. Excuse me. No Zion Magic yet or Morant's. There's our first hit, which is a Utah Jazz Rudy Gobert jersey card. We got a Derrick Rose, not numbered. No good rookies there. Oh, we got a blue R.J. Barrett at a 299 for the Knicks. Pretty solid. Bob M. is already getting some money back. Our second hit is a Jarrett Allen. Very nice multi-color patch. Looks like tie-dye. At a 25 for the Brooklyn Nets. In the same pack, we got a silver Luka Samanic of the San Antonio Spurs. Silver rookie. We got another rookie, not numbered, Dylan Windler of the Cleveland Cavaliers. Nothing special there. Come on, baby. I want to see a nice Zion or Moran again. Eric Bledsoe, not a rookie. Silver, not a rookie of somebody for the Bulls. Nothing special. Tyler Hero, base rookie. Here's a red die cut Phoenix Suns, Devin Booker at a 175. There's a base R.J. Barrett rookie of the Knicks. A lot of R.J. Barretts in these last few breaks. All right, I've heard of them. So we got Sacramento Kings, Harrison Barnes autograph at a 199. Multicolored, same guy we got earlier. Lauri Markkanen for the Chicago Bulls, not numbered, nothing special. All right, so far it's been a pretty average box by select standard. We got a red Celtics Carson Edwards at a 199. Some of that trash. All right, last pack of this box. Another hit. Huh. I don't think I've ever pulled one of these, so maybe they're really short printed. It's like they're called Artistic Selections. We got a Brooklyn Nets, Kyrie Irving, very thick card. I've seen a lot of this product open myself, never seen one, so maybe they're one in a case. Let's say they're probably pretty short printed. And a Bowl silver of the Denver Nuggets. Bowl. Ugly as shit. Manute Bol's son. Alright, on to box number 2. Alrighty then. We got a Marvin Bagley. Not numbered. Not a rookie. No, they're not rookie. Jabari Parker. There's a Zion base rookie. It's potentially gradable. Base Zion. And a silver of Dragic, but not a rookie. We're going to have to do better than a base Zion to get this party rolling here. All right, the first hit is a DeAndre Hunter of the Atlanta Hawks. It's like he was the number 4 overall pick in the draft out of 49. Relic jersey card. Kevin Knox colored, not numbered, not a rookie. Bowl again. Kyle Lowry tie-dye out of 25 for the Toronto Raptors. Oh, rookie would have been nice in that situation. Not Kyle Lowry. Been around for a while. There's a silver of the Indiana Pacers of Goga I can't say his name. Silver for the Pacers. Put those guys aside and see what happens. I don't think they're going to play any more basketball this year, but we shall see. All right, got a Golden State Warriors William Cauley-Stein autograph purple jersey card out of 99 for the Warriors. And a Jarrett Culver rookie die cut pink out of 99 for the Minnesota Timberwolves. Silver of Pascal, but not a rookie. Got a rookie. It's having a pretty good season for the Wizards. Rui Hachimura. Multicolored. Not numbered, though. But way better than a base. There's a Morant base rookie. And a Marvin Bagley blue out of 299 for the Sacramento Kings. Nothing special. Nothing special about Marvin Bagley there. Oh, so we got the human highlight reel. So we got a little extra autograph in this box. Dominique Wilkins green autograph out of 99 for the Atlanta Hawks. The human highlight reel. Dominique. Silver Randall. And base. Alright. Last pack. Yields another filler. And, oh man. It's a good one for Bobby. A LeBron James Lakers silver. It's got 2 of those in the past 2 breaks. 2 LeBron silvers. Alright. Moving on to the third box of this break. Alright. Once again, just a average box. All right, Marvin Bagley silver. Lou Williams silver, not a rookie. We get silvers and we want rookies. Oh, baby. Somebody's going to be happy. Should I show it to you guys or wait? I don't know. Give a peek. We got a Zion. Not numbered, but multicolored. Mr. Zion. Little purple, little green action going on there. The 199 card version, so I know the base card of that is short printed, so maybe this is even more short printed. That is a beautiful card. So there we go, heating up. Bob G, you're welcome. And man, it must be a Zion box, because here's another Zion base, #1 card. Very good condition. And a Trae Young red at a 199 for the Atlanta Hawks. All right, 2 Zions in this box. Oh, can we make it a third? All right, we got a Dennis Schroeder, Atlanta Hawks jersey card. Dwight Howard, Lakers, die cut at a 65. Okay. Stephen Curry, like the Zion, but not numbered. R.J. Barrett, base rookie on top. And I'll be damned. R.J. Barrett jersey card. The Knicks to follow it up right away. Then a Jackson Hughes. A lot of this color in this box. A lot of pink, blue going on here. For the Pelicans. Got a blue rookie of Nas Brazdeikis. Can't say his name. For the New York Knicks out of 299. Alright, Detroit Pistons. Sekou Doumbouya autograph jersey card out of 199 for the Pistons. And a Nasir Little silver for the Blazers in the same pack. Jarrett Culver, little disco going on for the T-Wolves. Not numbered. The Andre Ayton, not numbered, not a rookie. And the last pack of this fabulous box. Will it have a third Zion for Bob G, who's gripping it tight right now? Nope. But it does got a San Antonio Spurs silver Keldon Johnson rookie. I know people are liking him a little bit. Might be a guy to hold on to. All right, box number 4 of the Zoom train that we got going on right now. All right, final box of this break. We got another Pascal silver, not a rookie, nobody cares. We got a Pistons die-cut blue of that Sekou Doumbouya guy out of 249 yet. Again, I am probably murdering that guy's name, but I don't know. Another base R.J. Barrett. Another Another one of those short print cards. We got a Buddy Held multicolor. Nothing special. We got a silver DeAndre Hunter, or actually that's the white at a 149 DeAndre Hunter for the Atlanta Hawks at a 149. Not too shabby. We got Harrison Barnes jersey card of the Dallas Mavericks and a silver rookie for the Pacers of Goga Bitadze. Probably murdering that guy's name as well, but hey, I do what I do. We got a T.Y. Jerome Suns rookie, not numbered. All right, come on, Zion. Or Morant. Or any of these top rookies. Kevin Knox, silver, not a rookie. Nobody cares. Well, we got another winner. Another top-tier rookie hit. Bob S. will be happy on this one. We got a Morant 3-color patch tie-dye jersey card, 17 of 25. Good stuff. Granted, it would have been amazing to have an autograph of that and a Middleton color, nothing special. But when it comes to top rookie class, you get what you can get. You take what you get. Blue DeMar DeRozan at a 299 for the Spurs, not a rookie. All right, we got 3 packs left. Boston Celtics autographed jersey rookie of Grant Williams, numbered out of 199. And another silver of Jonas Valanciunas. Nobody cares. 2 packs left. Miles Turner, Disco, not a rookie. All right, it's all going to come down to this final pack. The final one of the break. Is there any more Magic left? All right, we're going to go real slow like. Oladipo, nobody cares. DeAndre Ayton, nobody cares. A white filler card, nobody cares. Rookie silver Celtics, Carson Edwards. And Kobe White rookie and a base. So the final pack, Well, congratulations to some of you that actually got some hits. I apologize to some of you guys who got a lot of base and a lot of rookie cards that are unproven yet. But give some of these guys time, and you'll be surprised in the basketball market how expensive some of this stuff can get just for a base silver card of some of these rookies. So, till next break, I'll see you guys later.